We are dying. This is our last video.
Tastes like kind of sour, but oh, we are going to. So we are going to a waterfall in the town called Tamales or Tapalas or Tapalpa. Yeah. So apparently it's a nice waterfall.
Flaco, porque te revuelves. Y entonces tu abuelo me traga. ¿Me traga? La parte buena es que no voy a ser el 21. ¿No qué? No voy a ser el único. ¡Ay, mi madre, mi madre, mi madre! Nada, que no.
Waterfall actually kind of starts here.
Eso. Es como la de Huentitán casi, ¿no? No.
Cristian, que acá te quiero, entiende. Cristian.
Are you good? Are you good? She wants to be.
It's the best place on earth to be when
And
you
you-
want to pee.
Yeah, you have to listen to the noises.
Oh my god.
The thing is, you can always find in the woods. All we have to do is just catch up enough speed. The next people who are coming is loud, you know. They are coming.
Yeah. Sometimes I wish I'd be a man
Why?
to have my own house. How is it called?
Yeah. I don't know how this waterfall gonna have any water. It's like hot, dry, and filled with the area with cactus.
Let me help to,
Huh?
add some water.
Yeah. Oh, it's recording. How are you doing, Bonita?
Amazing.
Ibon floors.
This is to help you if you feel you're going to fall down. grabbed us.
Yeah.
That-
They even thought of us. Crazy thing is she's already thinking about falling down.
That's how gravity works.
Yeah. I gotta tell Patty this.
Yeah, she fell down every place.
She did?
No, that you're going to tell Patty.
Oh, good idea actually. Good idea.
Yeah, now you have another story to tell.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. I'm gonna tell her that.
Stop at least 7 times.
Okay.
You can do a better bet.
No, I am struggling too when I go uphill. I really do struggle. Even though I have done these things like thousands of times, what I struggle is going uphill, hiking, every single time. Eating tacos doesn't help. Eating rice doesn't help. I mean, it does help actually. Carbs, I think, what you need, but I think it makes you lazy too. I don't know. You get fat and anything.
You are terrible. You go first. I don't want that you record me.
No. You go ahead.
Why? You're the...
No, I'm a gentleman. Go ahead. Ladies
yeah,
first.
of course.
Ladies first.
I can believe.
You can't believe?
Yeah, I can.
What?
That you are letting me
Of
go
course.
first. You still watch me fall down.
No, ladies first.
And you complain about my joke?
What?
You know?
What?
You complain about my joke?
Yep, of course. Cascada. What is Sultan del Nogal?
Probably another waterfall. I don't know.
They should put proper directions. Finally arrived. We can go down? We hiked all the way to see this. Let's see. Can we cross? Yes, we can. Come on. Look at the places that are high. Yep. Wow. Yeah. Going through the jungle. What? What are you saying? Oh. Maybe we should take a shower here.
Yes.
Jump in.
The water is clear.
Yeah.
Stay there, give me your phone.
Make sure it's the correct. What?
I thought that it was something with a car, but no, it's like a gecko.
Uh-huh.
Which is one of
Huh.
the here.
That way is not grandma friendly, so we had to go. Oh wow. Gotta take a picture here. Okay. It's pretty nice. Sí. Verás.
¿No vieron la entrada al teleférico?
Ay, ojalá viene uno, ¿verdad?
El regreso va a estar duro.
Sí se puede.
What is it?
That if we didn't see the entrance for the telepheric.
Oh.
Gracias.
Verás.
Because there should be one. Going uphill.
Huh?
Indeed, I am going to change the number. At least I'm going to the double 13 times.
So there is another waterfall here? Yeah. I think. Wow.
This is beautiful. You are beautiful. I wonder what kind of animals are here.
All kind of bears, tigers, lions,
What?
monkeys. Huh. So there was a family in front of us earlier. Oh, wow. Oh, it wasn't bad at all. Wow. Oh, I missed my drone now. Yeah. Let's go to the other side. Buen día, pues. It's really nuts to think about because right there it's like a desert. There is no rain, water, anything at all. And you have a waterfall right in the middle. All-terrain tire. During rainy season, looks like this all gonna get filled up with water. Wow. No, I'm recording. Yeah. Wow. That's a good freaking picture, but we can take it from the GoPro. So
We are dying. This is our last video. Adiós mundo cruel. Ya nunca te veré.
something like that.
Yo diré que nunca te conocí, pero todos ya comprenderán qué magnífico es estar en... No, olvidé la letra.
Yeah. We're trying to go up the hill.
Estoy delirando.
And it's really tiring, it's hot, and we don't have water.
Any water.
Yeah.
No agua.
And then she's like dying every single time. She needs a break. I am, in the other hand, no issues at all. I'm like fit, like no tired, nothing.
Está mintiendo, no le crean. Siempre miente.
I'm not tired at all.
Nos estamos muriendo.
Speak English.
Ayuda.
I am
SOS.
not tired a bit.
SOS.
I am super fit. Oh, what the heck are you doing?
Código Morse. Morse code.
Speak Espanol. I mean English.
Morse code.
Okay, whatever.
SOS.
All right.
Help. Estamos perdidas.
Let me know. Oh no! Don't do that.
What?
Don't do that. You gotta.
Serious?
Huh?
Seriously?
I'm gonna drink. I'll show you.
Drink it first.
Okay.
It's clear water.
Look, I'm gonna drink. Ooh,
Is it good?
it's very good.
Does it have like any taste?
Tastes like kind of sour, but
No, it doesn't taste. Oh my god, this is heaven.
oh. Huh. My stomach is really strong. I can drink anything.
Let's see how is it with me.
Yeah, you're gonna get diarrhea.
Really?
Yep.
Am I?
Yeah, no question about it.
Did my stomach hurt already?
Yep. You know, upstream, someone is peeing in it, shitting in it, and putting all kind of chemicals in it. And we are drinking downstream. Nothing wrong with it. Finally we made it. We finished the hike and we are getting fruit in this.
Ah, ya me acordé.
Que tiene jícama, pepino y piña. Piña, ¿verdad? Sí.
In US, we'll buy the Lexus GX, Toyota 4Runner, Jeep Wrangler, Tacomas, taking overlanding, off-roading and all that. And you come to Mexico, I do the same thing, but and guess who's overlanding? That tiny Ford. Actually, we came by some like tougher places earlier.
Yeah, it's not
Yeah, this is not bad.
nothing. And that car is doing amazing.
Mm-hmm.